It's Keyshla Torres with Automotive Realty here in Mineola, Florida. Another business spotlight in auto and truck solutions. Let's take a tour. Auto and Truck Solutions. Thank you for having me here today. So a question I would like to ask is, what inspired you to start this business?
Inspired me my family and the love that I have for the cars, the vehicles I like to repair. We have been since May 2019 providing service at this location.
And why have you chosen this town, this location?
We chose this town because it's a quiet town with nice, friendly people, and it's a growing town. We specialize in diagnostics, repairs, and regular basic maintenance for the vehicles.
Okay. And what are your hours and operations?
Hours are Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., and Saturday from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m.
Thank you again for letting me come by and tour your place. This is our local business-owned Luis Figueroa with Auto and Truck Solutions. If you need your car fixed, your truck fixed, come by. He'll be happy to service you guys.